Y'all know y'all don't scam the wrong person. Y'all know y'all have actually lied to the wrong person, and this person got a lot on y'all. Um, be honest with you, Charisma, Auto Trade, y'all are scammers.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Today, we're going to be featuring a video from TikTok where a woman posted a video of her staking out a dealership in order to get back her car. Now, before you go ahead and try to feel sorry for this lady, I want you to watch the video till the end, and then we're going to make our analysis from there. Let's get right into it.
Okay, this car dealership that y'all see in front of me have two car lots. One is one person on, and the other one is another place where I went at called Charisma Auto Trade. Well, they're not open on their side, but the side that sells the used cars is open. Now they open up from 9 to 5. Today they not open. Why are y'all not open today after y'all took my car? After y'all took my money? After y'all took everything from me? I couldn't even have a peaceful sleep for the last 2 days. Charisma Auto Trade in Jacksonville, Florida. You took my car.
So here she goes. She mentioned the dealership and the location. Okay, let's continue.
My money. Pre-approved mean you are pre-approved. Meaning, right now we're trying to find you a loan company that will take your application. Well, they have not yet approved me. So I'm pre-approved. That's like a credit card. If a credit card say you're pre-approved, they're not going to give you a credit card until you are approved. Why today that these people, after you all took my car, my money, y'all not open? Y'all supposed to be open at 9 o'clock, but y'all not open. Y'all not open at all. Not all. I looked the time up. 9 to 5. Monday through Saturdays. 9 to 5. Well, y'all not open today. And it's 9:19. Okay, why is y'all 19 minutes late? Oh, is y'all 19 minutes late because y'all don't know what to do? Y'all know y'all don't scam the wrong person? Y'all know y'all have actually lied to the wrong person, and this person got a lot on y'all? Be honest with you, Charisma Auto Trade, y'all are scammers. Y'all are people that lies. Y'all false things. Y'all try to put things. Y'all run people credit without people knowledge. Y'all do things that y'all supposed to not do. So my thing is, when it comes down to you taking my money, then you come take my car while I'm asleep through the night. Then you try to say you putting a repossession. How can you put a repossession on me when you don't have a fucking bank to repossess that bitch too? This is what's so funny, because these people think I'm so dumb, but I'm not dumb at fucking all. So I'm sitting across on another property, so I can wait to honestly wait till they open, so I can call our police people down here, so the police can come and meet us here.
Now, the thing is, she has on the caption bad dealership, but let's dive into this a little. So it seems some dealerships in the United States, they have a practice of giving a customer a car once they make a deposit and they have filled out the required paperwork. Now, those being able to keep the vehicle is determined if the dealer is able to find a finance company to purchase the agreement on which she filled out. Now, let's just say no one is willing to touch her because her credit is either bad, or she has no credit, or there is something that she's high risk, so to speak. I'm just going based on what she's posting here, okay, and breaking down the transaction, how it will happen at a dealership. Now, more than likely she was giving them the runaround, so they had to send a repo team to take the car from her, right? And So now that the Reaper team is now going to hit the dealer with a retrieval bill, and then the dealer now has to take it from her deposit in which she made initially. No, it only gets better. Basically, what I'm saying is that she has no argument, and if she calls the cops, that's what she says at the end of the video, they may end up arresting her, because once the dealer requests a return of the car, or it is actually their property, she has within between 24 to 48 hours in which to return the car, or it becomes grand theft or a stolen vehicle. No, then all the drama will come along with that. Some dealers or a salesperson, they chase the sale, right? Without the proper due diligence, and everyone looks bad. No, she's on social media calling out the dealership, and hence the name. If you go onto YouTube, I mentioned this before, they're calling dealerships dealerships. Obviously, someone dropped the ball right here. Now, my advice to customers is that get your own approval. Before walking into a dealership, check your credit score. There are A-rating financial institutions, and there are also B-rating financial institutions. The difference between them is that the B-rating ones, they take on customers like her with higher risk. However, she will have a much shorter period and a more higher interest and payment options to go through. Now, before you come on social media like what she did and play victim, you have to make sure you have all your ducks in a row. That's just my take on it. It's just quite funny that she would come and post something like this without, having all the facts. But anyone in the automotive industry, in the dealership environment, will know that what she posted here is absolutely, it doesn't make sense without hearing exactly what the rest of the story is that why would they come and take the car while she's sleeping? It was a Reaper team at that. They don't need to have their own bank. The car belongs to the dealership, and they will only repossess the car if her paperwork fell through. It's only fair. So that's it from me for now. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide, Proven Strategies Used to Maximize Profits and Process Improvement. And remember to smash that like button on your way out. It'll only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Until next time.